So this is what it looks like inside of a window well that was connected to a foundation with the Ufer ground. This house isn't very old. This gives you an idea. See, even the window buck is rusting. Here we go around. See, rusted, rusted, rusted. This is not very old, within 5 years. So we'll remove all this, clean up this buck, repaint it, put in a new window well with the Ufer Wells system, so this won't happen again. Okay, we just cut this piece out, and normally it's attached to the wall too, but we're gonna see. Usually, sometimes these bolts rust out, so you wanna go ahead and try and pull it out. Look at that, no bolts left. Nothing holding this window well in. And here's the finished product. The window buck has been sanded and painted. The Ufer Wells mounting system installed, which keeps it from rusting. No more rust. Window well's been replaced. All good.